What a beautiful day it is today, and we're having a look at the Nitro capture by Intelligent Systems. So I've gone ahead and I've disassembled the DS Lite side of things. One of the problems I had with this was the D-pad, in particular down. Very, very spongy. So I ordered a good old pack of replacement pads, but upon looking at it, well, what's wrong with that picture? Needs a clean. So I'm going to give that a bit of a clean. Apart from that though, the only differences I can tell between this and a regular DS is that we've only got one antenna cable here. There's usually the microphone, which I don't know too much about on these, to be honest. Microphone and antenna cable, and I'm guessing that's the antenna cable and the microphone is just missing. Could be the other way around. I mean, this does have a wireless port, which is an RJ45 connector. Really should read the manual for this. But there's the DS as it looks. As you can see at the top, we've got the cable protruding instead of what you'd normally expect. Actually, I should be doing this on the static mat, not on this. Yep. It's a very thick cable too, so you can't really mess with it. And there's the other side. Now, compared to a normal DS, that is quite a different design. I was watching a disassembly movie because I've never actually taken a DS apart before. The slot down the bottom for the GBA cover, I suppose, doesn't need to come out, and there's no screw up behind the cable. Both of which were most exciting for me. Not really. So there's the actual board itself though. So as you can see, it's got spaghetti hell going on. Plenty of components, except on this side where there's just a bunch of traces. It's a bit boring. Uh-oh, screen just became detached. Is that a good thing? Hope that's a good thing. But overall, the insides aren't too bad. We'll be replacing the D-pad though, or D-pads. Give it a new lease on life. And so that's the, well, I guess that's the internal overview of the Nitro capture. So next video we'll probably pull apart this little guy. It's a nice switch. Just got to find enough AV cables. Uses a GameCube power adapter, which is cool. Oh, ground. Yep, so stay tuned. McRetro out.